Hello everyone, welcome for today's video. This was the another long conversation with ourselves or with myself in the front of camera. So that while continuing toward my talking with myself, this is another video that I will talk with myself, that how much longer I can talk with myself. First of all, how to speak with ourselves. The first of all thing is that you have to make a peace with yourself and take a smaller decision, that speak in slowly so that the listener who wanted to listen you, who get memorize in with him, so that how it can help him. And coming to the today's learning, what can I will learn, and I will watch some videos of Cool Mintra and a YouTube channel. I will get something inspirational knowledge from that. That if you want to change your habit, first of all make yourself to becoming to be the visible to it, and go through it, and make a list for it. First of all we have to know about ourselves, that what type of work that we have to do it for ourselves, and what we need to do it. First of what to need to be, first of all, our conscious mind, subconscious mind was work within a specific time whenever we go to the sleep. So that this will make a starting to be a start a channel, or not to say start a channel, set a schedule for ourselves, that what type of decision that you do in your life. First of all saying that let's suppose a person, wait for a minute. Now continue toward the point, that how to becoming to be the consistent and make a discipline. So that I watching this video, I will get something very much informative for ourselves, that becoming to be very much consistent was very much important. And another thing is that with making the discipline, for example, two type of person are there in our life. First of all, a person who was not stick toward his goal, and a person who was stick toward goal and making himself to be very much doing such a thing, and working toward his goal, and too much working for his goal, and after the time he will get a opportunity, not to say opportunity, but he will get a time that after doing lots of struggle he will making his future to be financially stable. But another time the person who was not able to, or not try to do for his and working for his goal, he was not belonging to and becoming to be the person or type of person who can success his life for himself to becoming to be the good, or making to be a financially stable. For example, coming to the type of middle class people, many people never wanted to becoming to be the successful in his dream, because they always say that they have this, they have no smartphone, they have no laptop, they have nothing. This was the this was saying to be very much uh, called as very much brain illogical thinking and illogical type of word. So that this was very much difficult, or very much insufficient for themselves. So that how it could be coming to the point, that so that another topic is that so that another topic is that how to becoming to be consistent and disciplined. To making a consistent, first of all you like your work and you wanted to be very much love your work. For example, if a student who wants or who likes to do solve the mathematics, who likes the sports, who will never any of the he will manage their time and do the skills that he need and that he wanted to him, and after doing regular, and he will continue it toward the end. So that how this matter, first of all find your niche and find about your what type of person you wanted to becoming, so that after the time you can make yourself. And coming to the point, that how you make a discipline, first of all discipline was so much important in your life. How could we also make a discipline life? Because if you are disciplined, then you can achieve your success very much easily. For example, let's suppose that a cricketer who playing the cricket lots of the day, who was finding his mistake, how to make a six, how to catch balls, and after doing many more times spending upon himself, he will find that he will become a very much good player. So that discipline makes man a perfect. So that coming to the point that if a student or if any person who was not regular in his job and irregularity and showing him the irregularity in his field, so that he will not performing to be the best version of his life into the into the form of the communication, into the form of any of the field that he will do. So that discipline matters a lot, and for to finding themselves that how to be becoming to be the discipline in your life, so that how it's matter. Let's suppose to we talk about that how to make a habit, because every time get motivated was not to be possible into the life of any people. So that how we can also be motivated in our jobs. The single reason is that to be motivated, first of all, make a habit to your life. Everyone says that we have no time, we have a single time, we have no time to do such a thing. The single reason is that we have the time to waste it, and doing the such a irregular activity and wasting the times for that, we cannot assume it, we can the need of the time will be very much waste of it. So that how it could be say that this was the wastage of time or wastage of everything. So that and coming to the another point, that how to be make a good habit for ourselves. Whenever when I read the book of Atomic Habit, I say that to becoming to be the good in or better in the English communication or better in the anything, you have to make a list of it, that the first of all make a chart of it, the table that you wanted to involve in your habit, and and make a chart that that was not to be added in your habit, so that you can be continue toward it. And discussing about many more of the thing, you have to be consistent toward your goal and to be striked a lot. And making the habit, you have to be focusing upon the good thing and bad thing, and after doing it regularly you can change it about yourself. Because if you want to pursue any habit, you needs a time and pain. For example, a person who was not doing exercises regularly, but he started to doing the exercises, he was just to face the lots of struggle, lots of pain within them, lots of sleeping. And but this type of pain and this say this struggle will help him into the long run, because if was he was struggling to becoming to be the giving the best way into the sorry to say best way in the field of exercises. This will help in the long run for the healthy life. He was eating the healthy diet, healthy food, so that it will helping to make them a very good person in his life, and good personality and good posture to them. So that this will helping them, and for many reasons. So that many reasons to say that if obesity person, why he was obesity, because of the reason that not to doing any of the exercises and any of the working activities. So that while scrolling the phones and doing nothing, they get the obesity and fat over themselves. And coming to the point, that how we get distracted. For example, if I wanted to if I wanted to blog myself, if I wanted to communicate myself, if I wanted to say something in front of the camera just to start it, but the thing is that we are not consistent toward our job. But why we are not consistent in our job? Because we have the lots of distraction in ourself, so that we get distracted with ourselves, and not with ourselves by but the into the front of the camera phones, sorry, doing irregular activities into the Instagrams, and many more things to disturb ourselves and making in focus to our job. So that how it could be make our self to be so much depressed. First of all, what type of thinking that we have to be gain. Only reason is that just to take taking out from the for our interest. For example, if a person who was scrolling lots of Instagram reels and lots of YouTube shorts, he was lots of addicted more than alcoholic drink. For example, it releases the dopamine for in our brain, that give relax to our brain. So that if you wanted to do any of the work that was very much needy to you, you cannot pursue it, because the dopamine that release into the scrolling the phone, you release the dopamine, and you cannot the dopamine was only for the short interval of time. After receiving the dopamine and after doing such a thing, you cannot be continue toward ourself, continue toward yourself, that you will be not to be suffered as a say that very much growth related person or growth mindset person. So that habits are the point. I missed my point, that what I say that how to be consistent. Now coming to the point, that how to be minimize our scrolling time and how to be take away from the social media platform to be engage ourselves and not to focusing ourselves. So that first of all reason is that if you wanted to scroll the phone again and again, if you are very much addicted toward it and you wanted to just to pause it and just to stop the social media platform, you suffered a lot of pressure for yourself that you cannot do it as quick as you can. So that the thing is that you have to take a decision to your life, that not to be leave it from your life, just to take a decision to continue for a small interval of time but not leave it. Because if you leave it toward your life, then it will be continue and that will pressurize to you that how can you and what type you can. First of all, for any of the reason or any of the say that skills or any of the no not to skills, any of the distraction that you have, you cannot leave it quickly because it was in your habit, and you can continue it toward the end and doing regularity into them. So that why the bad habits and how can we leave it our bad habit. But to the reason is that if a person who was scrolling the phone up to 10 hour, okay, the reason is that he cannot quit it and he cannot quit it for entire life, for entire personality. So that he couldn't he will take a decision that I will scroll the phone only for the time of in the evening or in the afternoon and in the midnight. So that getting a small interval time and get a decision that to scroll the phone. First of all, why we take a why we can scroll our phone into the unnecessary time. For example, we are addicted to our phone that we can scroll the phone or we can continue toward the videos when we get a time. First of all, when we have a free time, we just to say that and we just to try to visit the videos and visit the reels, so that we can engage in our self in front of the camera, in front of the reels, and the doing many more things, and we get disturbed in ourselves into this place. So that how it could be very much dangerous for ourselves. And lots of time many people get distracted. So that how we can leave it and how we can get out from this type of distraction. The single reason that take a alarm to ourselves that and many more gadgets in our smartphone and many more of the sorry devices or many and so that we can pause our screen time. Let's suppose an example that we have a focus mode for our the app. In the setting we can get into the focus mode and on the focus mode for the time of 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or at least higher to higher 30 minutes, so that we are not busy toward our so such a things, so that we cannot repeat it again and again. This was helping to helping a lot for ourselves to becoming to be the less distractive in ourselves. We have to find out about ourselves that why we are get distracted with our jobs. And if we are distracted and we are scrolling the phone and doing the irregular activities, we get lots of struggle in our life. For example, if we're scrolling the phone without any necessary uses, we are get to just to involve ourselves to be very much distracted. For example, if we are continuing in our jobs, in our study, to scroll the phone into the free time of just to pause of 5 to 6 minutes, we scrolling the phone again and again, we get even fortunately we get distracted over it fully. And finally, the reason that how to be overcome our distraction and how to be leave the distraction, um, by simple stepping that to take a focus mode on into the device, so that and the delete the unusable activity. For example, Instagram into the real life of student, Instagram was the unnecessary thing that the student have into them. So that why they can introduce the Instagram and why they can for making them friend by also to say that by making virtual friends, they would not be sufficient, or they will not helping you to becoming to be the best friend of your life. By following or unfollowing is this, by using this platform, you will just to give the money to him, to you becoming to the user of him, but not to get a best friend or best version for his life. So that you have to be just focusing upon yourself, that not to becoming to be the part of the social media platform, becoming to the part of your life. Because what type of person you are, you can always find it into the front of camera, or into the front of the way that you can talk with yourself. First of all, uh, I was not to be seem like to be very much good, but I will whenever I will come in front of the camera, I face myself, I get something informative and get something the very much say that inspirational thing about myself, that I have something qualities in myself that I can improve myself for that. And also some funny incident, I will say that when I was not recording my YouTube videos for my channel, I was supposed for myself that I was not bathing regularly. I will into the whenever the heat was excessive, was more than 45 degrees Celsius, I was not bathing more than not bathing. So for 2 days, and after 2 days or 3 days, I will take a bath. So that how will make my habit to be changed. First of all, by recording the videos, I will get toward it, and my English fluentness was also to be and confidence level also increases. But my bathing was because whenever I come in front of the camera, I wanted myself to be who wanted to visit me, or who wanted to watch my videos. First of all, see me or see myself in front of the camera to be very much good. If I was seem to be very much bad and very much unattractive, so that this will be create a lots of sorry to say lots of indestructible or in presence of them, so that he will leave my channel, leave my videos, and skip my videos, for because of the reason that I was not looking to be so much cool. And so that I will take a bath after watching the after making the video. I wanted to just to give myself in front of the camera, and just to speak something, any of the skills that I have. And another thing that I have to always discuss, that how consistency and making the how to overcome the feeling of overcome, how to become not to be consistent into the social media platform. Just a single reason that by getting the dopamine, release your dopamine. The dopamine was into the small time, but you release the dopamine. First of all, change your habit according to the like of the dopamine. For example, if you wanted to scroll the videos, your full attention and full focus was to just to visit the videos, and just to know what type of and what is he saying the thing. First of all, in the social media, why we are busy ourselves, and why we are get too disturbed with ourselves, the reason is that we are just to believe that just to focusing upon the social media platform for the only to watching the news, for watching the comedy videos, for watching the reels of the very much sexualized content, for any many more things, that we have to be just to disturb ourselves to watching them again and again. And this was have to be called no worth it reason or worth it value for our self. So that how we can leave it. The single reason is that just to quit it, and make another habit to be very much attractive toward yourself. If you want yourself to be very much attractive into the another field that you wanted to very much like toward the job, so that you will get approach from the another people and get to be inbuilt to yourself. So that if current generation, I have seen that lots of people who watch the social media platform to watching the news of not more than the age of a student who was just a student, or who was just in 16 year of age, and watching the news channels, so that making himself to be that why they are watching the social media platform for the news channel, because his age was not to be very much higher, but the type of content they consume was very much so difficult, and what the sorry to say, but the thing is that very much depressing to him. Because if he was going to this platform, he was say that what type of content they receive. The content was so much depressive and so much cause create insufficiency for them, because if a mature person can visit a social media platform into the newses, he get something information and she get something idea about the thing. But if another person who just to scroll, a student just to know idea about the, and the reason is that he cannot learn anything from this point.